Using social media at the airport regarding your airport experience is not something to be taken lightly. This airport passenger learns that airport lesson in a big way. On February 23, 2025, the Tampa Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
One through seven. You just keep the radio clear.
Are you flying with him? Yeah, we just gotta talk to him real quick.
That's a little weird, though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Well, we'll explain in a minute.
Walk for me, please. Stay right there.
All right. What happened?
Yeah,
We'll
you can
explain
put
it
some
in a
posts
minute.
on social media. Put your legs up, please. Stay right there. You putting some threats on social media about bombing the airport?
We are aggravated.
You're aggravated. Did you say anything out like that?
I deleted right away, boss.
You deleted it, so you did send those out.
Yeah, but I promise you I deleted it.
What did they say?
I'm aggravated with this fucking airport.
Okay.
It's because of social media. I don't know how the fuck.
Yeah. No, stay right there. Don't turn around. Stay right there.
I swear to God, I don't got anything on me, Walt.
Well, here's the thing: when you
Yeah, I swear to God,
when
I'm
you
lying.
post those things,
I understand.
they're immediately flagged.
Okay, I
So you
apologize.
could post it and
But I
take it
deleted
down
it,
in
I
a half
swear.
a second, and
All
they're
right, I
flagged.
swear.
So this is why we're here.
What are you guys doing?
We'll explain in a
Social
minute.
media.
Why are you handcuffed?
Well, why is he being?
Because it's a criminal investigation. He posted that he wanted to
I
bomb
understand
the
that, miss, but
airport. That's a problem. The
And-
FBI is involved.
100%.
So
100%,
let's leave it at that
I
right
don't like
now.
how
Yeah,
he's
but wait,
being a
what
little
is going to
sexual
happen
aggressive.
now? Why
I
are
don't
you guys
know.
taking
We're
him
gonna talk
away?
to him. So just leave it alone.
I have it in my bag. If I can let me get it back over there. Can you get my wallet out of my bag?
Okay.
That's normally the thing as well. You've been here since 6 in the morning.
Leave it at that.
I don't like how he's being a little so aggressive.
I don't know.
Doing
We're
nothing.
gonna
Okay.
talk to him. So
You look at it from our point of view.
I
The
do.
FBI is involved.
100%.
He made a comment
100%.
on social media. Okay,
100%.
your man's not on the ground. He was not
100%.
hit. He was not
And I
hurt.
respect that.
Okay, I just got here. I saw from a distance.
I just want to know what's going on.
Okay.
Because the officer came over here kind of aggressive and just grabbed him up. That's the only thing. So we've been
All right.
here since 6 in the morning.
All
Our flight's
right,
at
are y'all with him?
Yes.
All right, for protocol.
Since 6 in the morning.
Are y'all with him?
Yes.
All right, for protocol. Come on, this one for me. Come on. I listen. I know.
here, come up against the wall, please.
I know.
I don't have no problem, G.
Listen, after all of this, you can
Just
have
detaining you
a
right now
talk to
because
your
of what
friend.
happened and y'all are traveling.
Yeah. Put your hands behind your back.
100%. It's much I know. We're just standing here. Just standing here. 100%. It's much I know. We're just standing here.
I got it, man. This is
I want documentation.
You will, sir. Everything's on body cam and being recorded.
Thank you so much.
We have no way to delete, change,
I hope not.
or anything.
May I turn around?
It's on. Give me a second. Double lock for me.
Okay, y'all done been in handcuffs a day of my life, bro. And I didn't fucking handcuffs in the airport.
Pants. All right. I'll sit you down so you can see your stuff. Come on back here.
Sit down, boss.
You don't want to
I
sit
would
down?
respectfully like to stand up. Is
Okay.
that okay?
Yeah.
Thank
Right
you.
here so you can keep an eye on your things. Good to go.
Before we move anything,
Have a seat right there for me. Have a seat. Okay. Could you move out for me, please?
Yeah, let me lock his
His cup.
Hold on.
Can I ask a couple questions?
Yeah.
I can't say anything because I'm mad about my flight. I can't say anything like that.
You have to be responsible of what you say,
I
okay?
apologize.
Otherwise, they wouldn't call us here,
But
okay?
it's-
But before I ask you any question or before you say anything, let me read you your right,
Okay.
okay?
I'm not going to go nowhere, sir. I'm not going to go nowhere, sir.
Attorney, but cannot afford to hire an attorney. One will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning free of charge, okay?
you may use any of this right.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Okay. So just right now, just give me a yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Have anyone threatened you, coerced you, or promised you anything to cause you to answer a question or statement? Oh, okay, thank you. All right. Since you're in handcuff, it's recorded that I read you your right, and you are waiving your right now. Okay.
Just tell them what you told me, because before when I spoke with you, you said that
So basically-
on social media that you
basically-
said you were about to get
All right,
pissed off.
All right, basically, we're just aggravated because we missed our closing our door by 4 minutes.
Okay.
I know.
So,
Give them the exact verbiage that you said when you told me.
Of course, I know. I understand.
Okay.
So basically, right when that happened, I was literally aggravated on social media. I just I'm gonna bomb this fucking airport, but it wasn't in that reference. I said I'm gonna just bomb this fucking airport because I was like, what the fuck? Like, oh, we missed our fucking door by 4 minutes. That's all it was.
Okay.
And after I posted it, my wife even said, you can't stop posting stuff like that. And then when I went to take it down, it literally said, your post has been removed.
Okay.
So once it did that, it went off. I'm like, okay, thank God, because it's wild. Once after I posted it, I noticed it. Like this shit, you can't say this shit.
Yeah.
And she said it. She said you gotta watch what you post. And literally, right when I went to go delete it, I got a notification literally saying it's off, and that's it. That's really it.
Okay, let me. And which social media platform?
It was just literally Instagram. It was on my Instagram story.
Instagram. Okay,
Instagram.
and it's gone now. It's been removed by
Yes,
Instagram.
Yes.
Okay. And around what time did you do it?
Honestly, our flight got missed at.
Mm-hmm.
We missed our flight by 8 o'clock, 8:10.
Right around 8:10.
Yeah, 8:10. Yeah.
So between 8 and 8:10.
Yeah, like around that time.
Okay.
Because our flight was at 8 o'clock. We got to our gate at 7:51 and we were already closed.
And after you posted, it got flagged by Instagram first,
Yes.
or you remove it first?
But right when I closed my phone, it got flagged. And when I opened up my phone and I seen it, I was like, oh shit, I went to delete it. And literally, it was already deleted.
Okay.
It was already deleted.
Okay.
Instagram works fast, so.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When you post something about bombing.
No, when
yeah,
you post anything like has to do with curses or anything, it'll get taken down.
And verbatim, what was that post says?
It just says, I'm bombing this fucking airport. And then I literally so you can search me all you want. I don't have anything on me.
Okay.
I'm just trying to go home to my son, and that's about it.
Okay. And then where you going to?
I'm going to Newark, New Jersey.
Okay.
I gotta pick up my son. He's
Okay.
literally home. He's literally with his grandmother.
Okay.
And it literally got deleted 4 minutes after I posted it.
And what gate was that you supposed to go to?
Honestly, I think we're in 8-8 at
Okay.
first.
When you take the photo and post it on Instagram, where were you?
I was honestly sitting at the Auntie Anne's right there.
Oh, so you were right here by
Yeah,
Auntie
I
Anne?
was just sitting there right at
Okay.
Auntie Anne's.
Okay.
You were literally like, I was like, well, then there you go. Like, how did you not think that?
But you gotta remember, when we're in the airport and everything that's happened after 9/11,
Yeah, you gotta.
it's not.
Listen, I get it. I totally get it. I just thought we would question first before doing this.
Before homie came over and just started grabbing people
Yeah,
up.
like that was a little.
Okay, again,
Questions could have
if you
been
if you
asked.
did
It
what we
needs to
do
be
and we got a
like,
potential
I don't
threat
know.
of something, you know.
Nah, bro.
How old is your boy?
He's 27.
26?
No, 27. Because we're gonna be 28.
26.
Oh yeah, I am about to
See?
be 28.
We forget our age already.
Well, you want to sit down, man? You sure? All right, on you.
Y'all surrounding me, I feel like I gotta stand 10 toes too, you feel me? Y'all one over there, one over there.
Right. If that was the
Bridget?
case, it would have been tackled you.
No, I don't know. I don't want no beef. I don't want no beef with police. I don't want no beef.
No, there's no beef, man.
I love you and I appreciate that, G. Thank you. I'm gonna send a very nasty email.
Okay. Okay. Karen.
But I had a terrible time at the airport. I was handcuffed. Oh, yup, dog's finally here.
Do I have to get up?
Nah, boy is at work right now.
I prefer driving, to be honest. Like,
So how many bags did you guys check in?
Literally one luggage.
Okay, you check in one bag, and that's the one you check in the morning after you miss your flight, right?
Yeah, that's about it. That's
Okay.
probably already in Jersey right now, to be honest.
Okay.
I'll let the people.
Okay, yeah, you have a cell phone?
I think, babe, is my cell phone over
108
there?
Central, can you call in, please?
It's probably on the charger right there, right by where his suit's at.
We just gotta get to the truck.
Okay.
So he's the one that posts. He's the one that do the posting. Are we taking them off?
We're gonna detain them all so that they can be interviewed. They're all gonna be interviewed.
Oh, so we taking them to HQ?
Headquarters, yeah.
Okay.
That's not gonna fit in there, boss. You can put it in the big car.
Central.
Ready? Yeah. Let's go. They all coming with us?
Yes. Ready, sir? This is fucking embarrassing, bro. I hope you know that. Like, I didn't even fucking do nothing.
I hear what you're saying.
It's fucking super embarrassing. Super fucking embarrassing. And I'm gonna be a pest about it the entire time.
So just so you know, the reason we're here is because your friend made comments. So I understand it's not your fault. It's you happen to be in his presence. Unfortunately, you got caught up in that. So I hear what you're saying, man. I wouldn't want to be in the same situation because it didn't look like you did anything. But
Literally
unfortunately,
getting escorted, bro.
yeah, I know. I know, man. I know.
That dude in the white, I'm telling you, bro. Someone finna hear my mouth because I want my $20 back for that goddamn burger. And bro, I don't mean to be an asshole or be rude. You know, I'm just agitated, bro.
I know
you
this
gotta
is
do
a
what
situation
you
you
gotta
haven't been in before, and it's new, and you're stressed. I get it, man. You've been up since 6. Said you were sleeping on floors trying to make your flight. You get here 2.5 hours early, and then your flight was it delayed or what happened?
do. Bro, what happened is my bag always gets chirped, no matter what.
Okay.
So it was busy, so she had like 6 bags. You know how when we go through here,
Yes.
they like put them to the side?
Sure.
I had freaking got some curl activator.
Gotcha, thank you.
We tried to do that. They said no already. It would have been a dope pick.
There's people already recording. So.
Yeah, romantic talk. I made it out there, but it wasn't even like that. Didn't mean to. For sure.
No, the one that just disappeared that he think we're gonna fucking forget about?
He kept pushing me around before he pushed me on and didn't even tell me anything. He started patting me down. Mid pat down, that's when he started to tell me so. But that's not in my right. That's not in my right. That's all I'm saying. Let me know what's going on before you push me against the wall and start patting me down.
Okay, to go home soon. I don't really care for any of this. I hope you learn a lesson from here.
Do we get to ride in a police car?
Yes, sir.
That's fucking fire, bro. I never been arrested before, bro, so, you know, it's kind of exciting.
Well, it looks big. It's a truck. It looks big, but when you look in the back seat, you're like, dang, where did all the space go? So it's not big.
Yeah, I've done a couple, I work for Optima. I've done a couple installs at police stations.
Yeah.
I don't know how the fuck you guys do it, man.
With whatever strong leg that you feel, you can go. Yeah. Watch your head. There you go. Can you get on the other side and do a seatbelt? So we're gonna seatbelt you in.
Fly down? Fly all the way down?
Yeah. I'll be transporting to HQ.
Well, the incident could be 51 to the post office. The caller's name is Nikisha Walker, and it's reference to she advised that another employee who was at work today, a black male, threatened to F her up. That she's requesting to speak to officers about it.
Come on out, play. Stay easy.
I'm trying to handle myself so I really sue you guys. I'm fucking with you guys. I'm fucking with you guys.
Just stay right there, and I'm gonna get your boy out. All right? Hang on a sec. What you gonna do first? This is the one that posted.
We can go in our office.
Your office? Yeah. Okay. All right. This Detective Mason, he's gonna be talking to you. Okay? All right. She's here. I don't know where yet because they're going to talk to y'all individually. So she's probably just sitting in another room, okay? You want me to sit in or you good?
Up to you.
Hey man, you lead dog, you tell me.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.